Welcome back to the China Law 101 video series. I'm your host, Edgar Choi from Law in a Minute. In today's video, we will talk about why you might end up in jail for keeping a parrot as a pet. In recent years, due to the high demand for wild birds in traditional bird-keeping markets, rampant poaching, over-capturing, and illegal trade in wild birds have been repeatedly banned but continue unabated, posing a serious threat to the survival and migration of wild birds, causing a continuous decline in population numbers. Those who keep their birds may not realize that their actions could lead to the endangerment or disappearance of a species in the wild. The new version of the National Key Protected Wildlife List came into effect on February 1st, 2021. In addition to retaining all 476 species of wildlife from the original list, it added 517 new species of wildlife. Among them, there are 394 species of birds under the key protection, which is 150 more than the original. The wildlife included in the list, whether wild populations or artificially bred populations, are all under national key protection. Wild bird species that have been long harmed by the cage-keeping culture, such as huamei, skylarks, red-throated thrushes, red-flanked bluetails, and red-billed lyothrix, are all listed as national second-level protected birds. This means that engaging in the private buying, selling, or capturing of these birds will constitute the crime of illegally purchasing, transporting, selling precious endangered wild animals or products thereof. The punishment for this crime is imprisonment of up to 5 years or detention in addition to a fine, and in serious circumstances more than 10 years of imprisonment. Apart from the birds listed above, precious and endangered wild animals that will land you in jail also include the national first and second level protected wild animals listed in the National Key Protected Wildlife List, the wild animals listed in Appendix 1 and 2 of the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora, CITES. Examples would include the giant squirrel, red panda, Asiatic golden cat, and caracal cat, which all look harmless and cute enough to be house pets. Thank you for watching today's video. Please feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we will talk about whether you should borrow your girlfriend's name to buy an apartment.